Hi, my name is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today I'd like to talk to you about the proper use and maintenance of a pressure washer. When you're done using your pressure washer, you'll want to practice good storage habits. Some of those habits would include properly coiling your electric cord. I suggest not coiling your cords too tightly. Coil them up into larger loops. You can wrap them around the machine. Gas-powered pressure washers don't have a cord to loop, but both do have the pressure hose. Again, that's something I suggest making large loops with. Don't make small, tight loops with your pressure hose and store it for a long period of time. It's not good for the steel braids in the hose. Other than that, there's not a whole lot that you need to do to store your pressure washer. One extra little tidbit that you might want to do is on your connections. Though these are made of brass, it might be a good idea to spray some oil on your connections, on your hose, and on your pressure washer to help prevent rust or corrosion in the future. But once you've maybe sprayed some oil on it, coiled up your hose and your wire, simply just store your pressure washer in a cool, dry place. Yes, it's a water pressure washer. It can get wet, it's okay. But for storage, I suggest keeping it in a cool, dry place.